We actually had to go to $2 shops and pull apart click pencils to actually get the springs we needed. We couldn't buy them in Australia at the time.
Parts were just that hard to come by?
Parts were very hard to come by, and as it was a prototype, we couldn't get 100,000 springs made. So we only needed a small quantity, so we went to the $2 shops to buy them.
Sess Luscombe was challenged every step of the way in creating what's called the grabber, an attachment for handheld computers that captures electronic data.
The initial one was just a barcode scanner. That's all it did. It scanned barcodes and it scanned them into your Palm Pilot.
There were very few PDAs that stayed around for long in the 90s. Most product lines were discontinued, but Sess found the American-made Palm Pilot, a user-friendly brand that made handheld computing more attractive to the average consumer.
We always had confidence that the PDA would continue. It was the manufacturers that were reticent in committing to a consistent product stream.
Palm was supportive of the grabber and suggested Sess take the prototype to the 2002 Palm Trade Show in the US.
We were very nervous about being there, made more so by the fact that our major competitor would seem to have a relay going, that every half an hour someone would come over and tell us that what we were doing would never sell any, and it's just a joke. You should never have come.
But the tables quickly turned when a Palm senior manager realised the grabber's potential.
He'd been round the show and he said, by far this is the best product at this show, without a doubt.
When he told me about how he was received by Palm, that was impressive, because those organisations don't adopt something like this unless they see a real need, and clearly they were wanting to evangelise the product in the United States.